Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the dollar versus the Swiss franc. Today's date, January 2nd, 2025. Let's get started. I'm going to start by taking a look at the 4-hour chart. And if we look at all these different swing highs going back in time to, well, this is April and May and into June, I guess, for the dollar versus Swiss franc, they all came within this area between 0.91469 and 0.9156. The high price that we saw in trading today reached up to a high of around 0.91347 before rotating to the downside. So it got within about 8 or so pips of the low of that swing area and rotated back to the downside. We've now moved back into this swing area on the 4-hour chart between 0.9086 and 0.90978, just below the 91 level, and we are trying to find some support buyers against the low of that swing area. Current price is trading at 0.9091 as I speak, so just above that 86 level on the downside. If we do break below the 86 level, then the short-term bias would tilt a little bit more to the downside, or give the sellers at least some confidence, give the buyers some cause for pause. But there is work to do, and that work to do comes off the hourly chart. If the price were to move lower, then this 100-hour moving average becomes the next key target on the downside. That level comes in at 0.90571. If I were to put a Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high right here, this is the corrective low going back to December 20th. The 38.2% retracement is just below the 100-hour moving average at 0.90512, and at this swing area again off the 4-hour chart comes in within that area as well. So this is going to be the key targets on the downside on a break of the 0.9086 level. So be aware of that. The last time the price traded below the 100-hour moving average was back here on December 23rd. We moved below it on December 20th through here, rotated down toward the 200-hour moving average, toward this swing area right here before basing, moving above the 100-hour moving average, testing the 100-hour moving average here, here, and here, not really putting a lot of pressure on that moving average, instead finding early buyers against that level, pushing to the upside. So watching this 0.9086 level break below it, and we'll start to look toward the 100-hour moving average and see what happens there. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.